Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create new agent and delete the new agent. Let's get started. So I log on to copilotstudio.microsoft.com, then choose our environment. Then, so in my case, I've chosen AG test environment. Do not use the default environment. Then click agents, click new agent. So you can use Copilot to create the agent, but I'm going to skip to configure. Then I'm going to create a test agent 1. So in case you want to choose a language, then choose your language, click save, then create. We just created the plain agent. We'll do little customization. So click on topics. So still, when you create the agent, it will take a little while to populate these topics. So these are the custom topics and system topics. So when you start an agent, by default, then when you say hi, and there is a topic called greetings, this answer is coming from this greeting topic. So let's click on the topic. Now let's do a little bit customization. Instead of hello, then you'll say hello customer, how can I help you today? Then click outside of this box, then click save, then click refresh to test the bot, then say hi. Now we should get hello customer, how can you help you today? So now you have seen that you have created the new agent, then modified the phrases, then tested the agent. So now if you go to agent section, now you want to delete this newly created agent. So click on these three dots, it will show you the options, then click delete. So it will saying like permanently delete. So all agent data will be permanently deleted, including the workspace, topic, content, and historic metrics. The agent and its data won't be recoverable. So the delete agent option is not activated. It says like enter the agent's name to permanently delete all data associated with this agent. This is make sure like you are 100% sure to delete it. So I type the agent 1. See here, still it is not activated because this is a case sensitive. Here it is a small g, then here it is a capital G. So then if you type small g, then you can see the delete agent button. This is one way. Because I typed there is a chance for the human error, then you want to copy and paste, you can select this, then right click. By default you get this pop-up, or if you don't get that pop, right click and then copy, then right click and then control V for paste. Or at this point of time you can use a drag and drop also. I'll show you where you can't use a drag and drop. I'll show you where you can't use a drag and drop, then delete agent. So I'm just cancelling at this point, then go inside the agent. So on the top right corner you have three dots again, click delete. So everything is the same here. So the same menu. Now if you type agent 1, then the option is activated. If you type something like capital letter, then it will not come, like maybe here, then it will not activate this button. But if you open the agent, then when you try to drag and drop, you can still copy and paste here, copy, Control C for copy, Control V for paste. But if you try to drag and drop, then this will not work here. So that's a one maybe bug, or I don't know whether Microsoft want to disable that feature to enter the manual the one. If you go to agents in the top level list of agents in the three dots, then delete, then select this, drag and drop, then it will work here, then delete agent. It doesn't matter whether you drag and drop, whether you type. I just want to show you different methods really. Now you can see deleting test 1, then it is in progress. So after a few minutes, then it should show like test 1 agent has been deleted and the screen has been refreshed. If it is not refreshed, just press Ctrl F5 or press the refresh button. Thank you for watching this video.